Hey y'all, some of you may have been like confused because I posted a video of this yesterday and how it came to me. But basically, the original motor I was gonna put on here, long story short, but it got stolen. And the guy that was helping me build it was kind of his fault that it got stolen. So he bought me a Predator, and now this thing has way too much power. But it basically made complicated things. Now it's got one chain that goes from the clutch to this jack shaft, and another chain that goes from the jack shaft to the wheel. It's kind of loose, but it's fine. Yeah, it's pretty sketchy, but it works, and it's fun as hell. And it's raw, and I got a duck in the front. So thanks y'all for being here through the whole thing, and stay tuned.